Hi, safety buddy. You are watching Wahana podcast with me, Ubi Suhaimi from Wahana Safety Indonesia. So for the next 15 minutes, we will be having a very interesting discussion with our special guest, Rengwood Keuchu.
Yes.
Yeah, about safety and sustainability in the mining industrial. So just a short introduction about our special guest, Rengwood, who has joined us all the way from Thailand. So he is a sales manager from
Sundström Safety AB.
Yeah. So it's a well-established company from Sweden. Can introduce yourself
Okay.
for this?
My name is Rengwood Keuchu, but I come from
Yeah.
Thailand, so for you maybe
It's quite hard to
quite hard to
spell
call me
your-
Rengwood, right? So many my friends they call me RK, so
Oh,
you can call me
okay.
RK. So
Okay.
I working for Sundström Safety AB in Sweden. So I work for them for this year is the 13 years.
13 years,
13
wow.
years.
Very
And
long.
I taking care of Asia market for Sundström Safety AB. I have one news that I would like to tell you. I think maybe you know already. You know Sundström Safety AB, next year we will celebration for 100
Oh,
years
yes.
old.
Yeah.
100 years old. So
Okay.
this company, we made the respiratory protection equipment for 100 years old
Okay.
next year.
You will invite me for the
Sure, we
anniversary.
will invite you. Yeah. Maybe now I talk with my boss, we try to have one event in Asia also.
Okay.
No, of course, we will do the celebration in Sweden, but for me, I wanted to invite all of my partner in Asia to celebrate 100
Okay,
years old
that's
for
good.
Sundström Safety in Asia.
Okay. So just a short, why you interest coming into our Balikpapan Expo this year?
I work in many countries in Southeast Asia, right? Indonesia market is very important for me. So Indonesia, you have so many industrial segment. Like
Yeah.
one of the biggest one is the mining, and Sundström, we start the business from mining.
From mining.
Industry. So that's why. And right here at Balikpapan Expo, you have mining, right? Mining exhibition. So that's why it's really important for Sundström Safety. That's why it's the reason that I come here
Okay.
for join the Balikpapan Expo.
Okay. Now we're talking about your product, Sundström. Probably you can tell us the advantages of Sundström products compared to probably the other product that's very similar with Sundström.
Okay. The big difference between Sundström is our respirator. We are built to the last. Most of our product very durable.
So it's a long last, yeah.
Long last. So, in the market, instead of throwing away the mask every day, like a daily, if you use a disposable mask, right? The comfortable, reliable and sustainable because
Ah,
you don't need to throw away every day. Our mask can reusable. It means you can have a less weight. In the long term, you can have a lower cost, and also the better protection. This is our advantage from the Sundström.
okay. And then what you can offer to us, to our customer, about the solution that you can provide
Okay.
while using the Sundström products.
Of course, we don't just hand over a respirator and walk away, right? We just only sell to you. So we provide a full solution, training, fit testing, and ongoing support like a training. We traveling with you so many times, right?
Yeah.
And our system are modular. One product you can use with many products. So the company can adapt them to different hazards. Because one product can use in many hazards for the customer. It's about to make sure that qualification work is in practice, not just only a paper like we send the qualification to you. That's it.
Sometimes
No,
just
no, we give
Yeah.
more than that. We give more than that.
okay. So you fully support from
From the
training,
product and
after sales,
after service,
and
and
Wahana also
training,
ready
yeah.
to give that.
Yes.
Okay, now how do you see the role of workplace safety environment, especially the use of the respiratory protection in supporting the environmental sustainability in oil and gas, mining, or other segment?
Safety and sustainability actually it's go hand in hand, you know.
Yeah.
When workers are properly protected, you reduce accident, you reduce downtime, and you reduce the environmental contamination. A safe site is a cleaner site, you know, and that's critical for industrial under pressure to meet environment standards. This is the key advantage from Sundström.
You have a very high standard products, and also you are very concerned about the sustainability for our customer. And
Yes.
how about in your own company, about the sustainability
in
and
our
your
company,
protect
right? Okay.
your own employee?
It's not just about only for our products, you know. It's also about our people. We invest a lot in our company for the employee health. Last year we conduct the one program we call ergonomic workplace.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes,
yeah. We invest a lot for in our office. We training them for the whole year, one by one. Even me, you know, they have online training about the ergonomic and about the sustainability from Sweden to my country.
Yeah.
So we invest a lot for our employee health, you know.
Okay.
You know, because we have one thing, we believe that protecting our team is the first step to protecting our
Agree.
others, you know.
Yeah. So what is the biggest challenge protecting workers, but without compromise with the productivity?
How do you keep workers safe without slowing them down?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's why, you know, we decide to have very user friendly, and most of them they are very lightweight, you know, low resistance, like our half mark, if you know, we are one of the lowest resistance for breathing in the market.
And you're the lightest, right?
Yeah, the lightest.
the lightest.
The weight also lightest, and the breathing resistance also lightest. And it make comfortable for the worker, you know, right? So if the gear, yeah, like this feel natural to wear, you know,
Okay.
productivity doesn't suffer. This is it. It's good for the worker.
Okay, agree with that. Agree with that.
Yep.
So, how can mining company integrate the safety programs and environmental, sustainability initiative with this product?
As I told you earlier, that the Sundström Safety AB we start from mining, you know, almost 100 years ago. So mining industry is very important for us. So like mining companies, actually they can integrate our products into broader program by linking safety KPI with sustainability goals. For example, if they can switching from disposable mask to use the reusable respirator, so they can reduce the PPE waste a lot.
I see. Okay.
While they still keeping the worker safe. Actually, it's safer than they use the disposable. So it's like it's a win-win situation between the mining company and also the safety like us.
Okay. Okay. What is the common mistake that in your observation that you still find in the field for the implementation of the respiratory in the field, and how did this mistake affect sustainability efforts?
One of the common mistake that I often have from the customer is when they use the respirator like a half mask or even the disposable mask is a poor fit. So it cannot fit to their face, you know. So if a respirator doesn't sealing properly, you know, it doesn't protect anything. So, and another thing is that I found is many workers they have like a inconsistent using, you know. When the worker taking mask off and they still in the workplace that they have a contamination, it's very dangerous, you know. So both of these issues, poor fit and they taking masks off when they still in the hazardous workplace. This is the common mistake that I found a lot in the real workplace.
So how important the fit test?
Yes, that's why we're talking about poor.
Very
poor
important,
fit.
or
That's why the fit testing is very important. Is non-negotiable.
non-negotiable?
Yeah,
Okay.
non-negotiable. You know, even the best respirator won't work
If it's not fit.
it doesn't it doesn't
Doesn't
fit.
fit.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the proper fit testing, it ensure the worker are safe, you know, and prevent the leakage from the mask. So when you have the leakage, you know, it could harm both people and the environment. So it means you have to throw away the respiratory protection equipment too often, and also harmful to the body of the end user.
Okay. Okay, now we are talking about the context of sustainability. Yeah?
Yep, sure.
So the reusable respirator is help reduce the waste of
Yes,
the
correct. Compared to the
respirator.
disposable, right? Yes, you know, disposable mask is pile up fast, you know. Our reusable respirator is last for years. You know, I have many customers that use our half mask SR100 more than 5 years. Some customers, they
long.
can use almost 10 years with one mask, but they need to have like a good, proper maintenance, you know.
Oh yeah.
So what it mean? It mean when they use for a long time like this, it made them to have a less weight, you know, like a plastic waste. So when you have a long period of usage, one equipment, so it reduce the cost as well. So they can lower the cost in long-term cost. And also, most of things,
Yeah, because
it contributes the sustainability target.
yeah, because disposable masks there will be a lot of waste, right?
Yes,
And then
correct. Like if you have a 100
the
worker,
cost will be higher.
yeah,
when
so you throw away every day, right? So
Correct.
it means you
Yeah.
generate the waste every day, daily, 100 pieces. But when you're using reusable mask, and it can last long for 5 years. So in 5 years, you generate the waste from the mask only 100 pieces. See, compared to disposable mask, it's huge difference. I will share one case from Southeast Asia. This case is a mining site. They introduced the Sundström respirator along with the dust monitoring. They do the dust monitoring and also training, you know. You know, within a year, respiratory incident dropped by 40% after they launched this program, you know. And the airborne dust level also went down. So the worker felt safer, you know. And also the company hit both safety and environmental goals at the same time.
Okay.
This is the benefit for mining that after they launched the program.
Okay, now we're talking about the regulation, yeah. So how do you think about safety regulation such as OSHA,
Okay.
ISO, or any local regulation that
Okay.
controlling the environment regarding on the how mining company select the product for the environmental friendly for the safety equipment?
Yeah. So standard like ISO and OSHA, they set the bar, right? So mining companies in Asia, in Southeast Asia, now they are aligned with this because they want to stay too competitive for the market. Okay. So Sundström, that's why Sundström we design product to meet or exceed this requirement. So companies they know they are compliant and sustainable at the same time from our products.
Oh, I see. Okay, it's a good. So we go to the last question.
Okay.
On this.
Good.
So looking at the future, I mean, of course, you have your own development
R&D, yep.
and innovation.
Yep.
So probably you can tell us the latest innovation or future development on the Sundström products.
Yep. Next year we will celebrate 100 years old, right? So
Yep.
we have a lot of innovation from Sweden. I can say now we are working on a smart respirator, and we focus on the user friendly. Like most of our new products, we try to make it like lighter. You know, if we're talking about the waste, like we have like the new helmet like this. Our new helmet SR 575.
Yeah, yeah.
If we compare the weight with the previous model, the new one is lighter than the previous one, is around 40%. So it made the customer or the end user can wear it for the long period.
Yeah.
So this is our key point that we would like to keep for our customer. And also, many of our product, even the packaging, we try to have a more sustainable design. Like we have one of our packaging for filter. In the past, this filter we separate packaging, right? The wrap, vacuum packaging. But we know when the customer use this filter, they will use 2 pieces. So we reduce the packaging from separate packaging
Oh, I
to
see.
be the one packaging that have 2 filter in one packaging. So we reduce the packaging from the plastic. This is we try to do something like this all the time. And also, we would like to have keep our supporting on the long-term safety and also environmental supporting for our new product.
Safety buddy already learned a lot of things from Rangwood. Yeah, we hope this discussion give our safety buddies a lot of insight, a lot of knowledge, even improving safety and sustainability practice in the mining or other sectors. Yeah, stay safe, stay connected, and because safety matters. And see you in the next episode.
Yeah, see you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.